Take out the support rod. Tighten the ball head mount. Install the image transmission device. Remove the screw from the support rod fastener. Fix the support rod onto the rear frame of the machine and adjust it to a suitable angle. Plug the power cable into the expansion port at the back of the machine. Clip the monitor bracket onto the remote controller until you hear a click sound. Install the 2 screws on the monitor bracket. Mount the monitor. Adjust the monitor angle and tighten the ball head mount. Install the image receiver and tighten the screws. Plug in the power cable for the image receiver. Connect the image receiver and the monitor with an HDMI data cable. Install the battery on the back of the monitor. Remove the protective films from the camera. Press and hold the power button on the monitor until it turns on. Once the S1 is powered on, the monitor will display the real-time video feed. Completed, now you can use the image transmission function.